Now departing is the 925. Now passing is a Virgin Trains to Euston, and this is going to Tring. .319 460 at the end. Well, hello. As that 319 just left, you will notice that I am at Watford Junction. Oh, too close. Watford Junction, where you will be seeing services by London Overground, which is there, London North Western, Virgin Trains, and possibly Southern, forming the Milton Keynes to East Croydon services. Oh, and also, wait, just Junction. Ah, yeah. Also, London North Western Railway shuttle services, well, not shuttle services, to St Albans Abbey. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy Watford Junction. I myself love this station. But yeah, enjoy. Now arriving is a London North Western Railway service to London Euston only. The 8:28 service. Wait, sorry, 9:28 service. Now passing is a freight train. Wow. And as that goes, now departing is the 0928 London North Western Railway service to London Euston only. 350-243. Forming a 4-carriage service. Ooh, looks like we might get a speeder, possibly, hopefully a Pendolino. Oh yes, Pendolino in the distance. Hi there.
Yeah, I'm not going to do it.
Oh, why? What?
It's 4 for 1. Already done it. I'm going to get some food done.
Do you know where that's going? Yeah.
Trust it with Coke. Trust it with Coke. Right. See you in a bit.
Now arriving is 1 second. Well, it's a Pendolino that came from Okay, this came from Manchester Piccadilly, forming a Virgin Trains Pendolino service to London Euston, and it's an alight only. We cannot board this train. Doors closing. Not all of them. Not yet. Enough. Okay, now departing is the service from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston, alight only at Watford Junction. Now arriving is the 0937? Yeah, 0937 Virgin Trains service to Birmingham New Street. And this one is actually a service. Opposite of a light only. You can only board this train. No passengers can get off this train at Watford Junction. That's the rule. This is actually delayed by like a minute. Now departing is the 0939 London North Western Railway service to St Albans Abbey, as well as the 0937, delayed by 1 minute, Virgin Train service to Birmingham New Street. Now arriving is the... one second. Now arriving is the 0941 London North Western Railway service to Milton Keynes Central. 350-257 at the front. .350-376 over there. I'll catch the numbers onto the sleeves. Now passing is a Virgin train service to London Euston. And now departing is the 0941 London North Western Railway service to Milton Keynes Central. And 350 110 110 110 at the front, at the back. And now departing is the 0941, I assume, London Overground service to London Euston. Yes, 0941 to London Euston. Stopping at all stations. Watford High Street, Bushy, etc, etc. Now passing is a very fast Virgin Trains Pendolino, off to who knows where. Possibly Manchester Piccadilly. Or Glasgow, one of them. Now, okay, now passing is a Virgin Trains Pendolino, class 390, forming a service to Euston. As that goes, now arriving is... Now arriving is the service, is the London Overground service from London Euston. And now passing as well is a Virgin Trains Pendolino off to who knows where. Nice! Nice two-turn over there. Very slowly arriving at Watford Junction, I must say. As that arrives, that also arrives. The 0947 London North Western Railway service from Tring to Euston, calling at Bushy, Harrow and Wealdstone and Euston. 350 242 in the front. Okay, now departing is the 0947, delayed by 1 minute, London North Western Railway service to London Euston. .350-237 at the back. Okay, now arriving is the 0952 Southern service to East Croydon from Milton Keynes Central. And if I didn't mention this in the beginning, yes, you would be seeing services by Southern as well. 377205 Electrostars.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Okay, now departing is the 0952 Southern service to East Croydon via Clapham Junction from Milton Keynes Central. An Electrostar, one of my favourites. And over there, passing, is a Virgin train service to some place or another. And 377207 at the back. There the Pendolino goes. And another one. Yep. Okay, so this is a Virgin Trains Pendolino service passing, bound for London Euston. And over there, now arriving, is the 0955 London North Western Railway service to Tring. (350-112) at the front. And in the new livery, 350-245 at the back.
London Euston only. This train has 4 carriages.
Now departing.
This train
Oh, stop! Oh, thank you. Okay, now the train that just departed is the 0955 London North Western Railway service to Tring, and another train is passing. From side. It's from there. And another Pendolino service going off to some place or another. Yep. Okay, now arriving is the 0959 London North Western Railway service to London Euston only. (350-246) forming a 4-coach service. Oh, sorry, 246, not 245. Okay. now departing is the 0959 London North Western Railway 4-coach service to London Euston, which is completely full, actually. That's a first. Ooh! Going to Euston, as usual. And that is going to, I don't know. For some strange reason, all the overground services forget that. Okay, so and now departing is the 10:01 London Overground service to London Euston, although it is strangely and stupidly listed as going to South Hampstead. Very, very slowly. Okay, now arriving is the delayed 10:03 London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street. Very small train for that sort of distance. 350, 260 throughout. Okay, now departing is the 2 minutes delayed London North Western Railway service to Birmingham New Street, 350, 260.
Customer information, this coming weekend on Sunday the 24th of February, the EFL Cup final will be held at Wembley Stadium. Only a very limited train service will be operating to Wembley Central due to the engineering works in this area. The London Overground local service between Watford Junction and Queen's Park via Wembley Central will not run all day on Sunday. Replacement buses will be in operation. Please make sure you plan ahead for Sunday on nationalrail.co.uk. Thank you.
Wow. Absolutely missed that one coming in. Well, obviously it's come from Euston. Okay, now passing is that monstrosity, obviously going to Euston. Yay. Thank you, driver. Okay, now arriving is the very delayed 10:11 London North Western Railway 4-coach service to Northampton, 350, 375. In the new livery. Another Pendulino going to Euston. Where from? Dunno. Oh my god! That was amazing! Oh, now that looks pale in comparison. The 1011 London North Western Railway service to Northampton, 350-375. Okay, now passing is another Pendolino Virgin Trains to somewhere. Yep. Nowhere near as spectacular as the other one. The other Pendolino, that is. Okay, now arriving is the delayed 1016 London North Western Railway service to London Euston, which is the same unit that I took earlier. 319460 at the front,